The energy of Bangladesh largely depends on natural gas, but due to shortage of natural gas resources, Bangladesh is going to face an energy crisis in future. Here we'll discuss the energy crisis in Bangladesh and the potential solution of this. Natural gas, coal and renewable energy are the main sources of energy in Bangladesh. Here we can see that our daily gas production is about 2,300 million cubic feet and daily demand of gas is about 3,500 million cubic feet. So daily shortage of gas is about 1,200 million cubic feet. From the pie diagram, we can see that the largest amount of natural gas is consumed by the power sector. Then industrial sector is consuming about 17%, captive power 17%, CNG 5%, commercial 1% and domestic 12%. From the annual report of Petrobangla, we get the overall scenario of countrywide gas demand projection up to 2019. The gap between demand and supply is widening. We are using gas as CNG, LPG in fertilizer industry, power plant and many other household and industrial purposes, which is creating pressure on distribution of natural gas. The most frightening thing is that the reserved gas will run out in next 10 years.
Here we can see current coal reserve and extractable quantity. The measured coal reserve in Boropukria is about 303 million ton, Fulbari 572, Khalshapir 143, Digipara 150, Jamalganj 1053 million ton.
So let's find some solution.
Possible solution for energy crisis can be coal, nuclear energy, hydropower, solar energy, biogas and other renewable energy. Coal can be the best alternative solution for energy crisis, as the reserve of coal is about 3.3 billion ton, which is equivalent to 76 trillion cubic feet of gas. In Bangladesh, the best way of using coal is underground coal gasification. Here we can see the figure of underground coal gasification technology.
Audio Jungle.
UCG can help meet the rising energy demand by converting coal to energy and products utilizing resources that otherwise would be too deep, of poor quality, or simply not economical to mine. In general, UCG can operate at up to about 80% efficiency, that is, the amount of syngas energy recovered at the surface is about 80% of the original heating value of the coal feedstock. Underground coal gasification is using in many European countries, which is very much acceptable environmentally.
Domestic need of energy can be replaced by biogas. Biogas typically refers to a mixture of different gases produced by the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen.
Fixed dome type biogas plant. The arrangement for producing biogas from animal dung, human excreta, industrial and domestic waste is known as biogas plant. Construction. It consists of a well-shaped like underground tank made of bricks and cement. It is called digester tank and it has inlet and outlet valves. The roof of the tank is dome-shaped. A gas outlet pipe of the dome is fitted at the top. There is a mixing tank above the ground level which is connected to the inlet valves of the digester through a sloping inlet chamber below the ground level. On the other side, there is an outlet chamber. This outlet chamber is connected to the overflow tank which collects the used slurry. Working. Animal's dung is mixed with water to make slurry in the mixing tank. This slurry enters the digester tank through the inlet chamber. The slurry in the digester tank is left for about 2 months for fermentation. Anaerobic microorganisms are responsible for fermentation which produce biogas and it is collected in the dome. It exerts a large pressure on the slurry and forced it to go in the overflow chamber. The biogas is taken out from the dome through a pipe and used for cooking food or heating water, etc. The residue to the plant is used as manure because it is rich in nitrogen and phosphorus.
We can meet the challenge of energy crisis using different alternative energy sources like hydropower, nuclear energy, solar energy.